quick launch guide for your funnels and forms. So from the launchpad, go to sites, click funnels, click new funnel, then select from this option. You can choose the blank, build your own, a funnel AI powered creation, and then from templates, choose a pre-designed funnel. How to create a form in your high-level account. Click sites, navigate the forms, choose the form builder, click add form. You can choose start from the scratch, and you can choose from the template. Then after you customize the form from the form editor, click save. How to create a funnel from a template. So from the launchpad, navigate to sites, click funnel, click new funnel, select from the templates, click continue, open the template library, search and filter and sort through the templates. For example, this one, click preview, if you want this to customize, choose template, and then you can customize the template funnel in the funnel editor. If you are done, click publish. Navigate to